Last week, a serious claim shocked the world.
Russia claimed a drone targeted an area near President Putin's residence.
Officials said the drone entered a high-security zone.
Russian defenses say they intercepted the drone.
The Kremlin said Putin was unharmed and not present.
Russia accused Ukraine of an assassination attempt.
Ukraine immediately denied the accusation.
Kyiv said it does not target foreign leaders.
Western agencies reviewed the incident.
Look closely at the fragmentation pattern. This doesn't look right.
The telemetry data seems corrupted at the moment of impact, sir.
But the infrared signature matches the payload.
Experts questioned how a drone reached such a secure area.
Air defense active. All systems online. Fortress status optimal.
Russia continues repeating the claim through state media without new proof.
The world watches, but the truth remains unclear.